Very good morning to all of you. We had a lackluster session in the market yesterday. It went nowhere. The market closed almost flat. The investors were actually confused where to go in the market. The traders were actually cautious ahead of a vote in Italy that will show whether that will decide whether the Italian Prime Minister could stay in power and to pass the austerity measures. He gained out on this or to pass the austerity measures, but loses majority in the parliament. So that signaled that he may have to resign or step down from power very soon. So after that, the US markets gained about 1% on this news, and even the Europe indices were better about 1%. So the global markets were overall picture it was positive in yesterday's trade. So the domestic market also, likely to follow the trend. The Asian markets are up in the morning. The Singapore Nifty is trading roughly 1% better. So our market is still in the range of 5,200 to 5,400. So we are consolidating at this stage. We have to look for some numbers from the major companies in the corporate sector. If you look at today that SBI is announcing the result today, Ranbaxy, Lupin, Bombardier, and a couple of other companies too are coming out with their quarterly results. So today's our market will be having a look on all these shares, whether the companies are announcing their results in a better way, or the corporate speech by the company, the commentary by the management will be a key factor to watch out for. And apart from this, from the automotive sector, we have the sales data for the month of October. All the companies will be coming out with their monthly sales figure for the month of October. So the companies like Maruti, M&M, Tata Motors, then in two-wheeler segment, Bajaj Auto, Hero Honda, all shares will be in focus when they announce their sales figure. We can get some clues from that. And looking at some companies like ABB, United Spirits and all, yesterday they announced their quarterly results. ABB had a wonderful quarter this time. Their result is better by 93% compared to the same quarter on last year. And even the United Spirits result, the quarterly results almost doubled, almost about 98% better. So all these companies will be in focus in the coming days. There were some good actions in ABB yesterday. The volumes were spurted, so we may have to look for an entry opportunity in these shares when they react, and in the coming days when they have a dip, we may have to look for a buying opportunity in those shares. And in commodity segment, the gold is still hovering around $1,790 an ounce in the international market. The gold, there is a consensus that the trend is still up, but an intermediate correction to the 200 DMA is possible. 200 DMA is around $1,580, and any reaction to that level will be another entry point in gold. The overall trend remains bullish in gold. Then crude is back above, the Brent crude is back above $115 a barrel. Our government is keenly looking for even the oil marketing companies are eagerly watching out for the prices. So in yesterday to the news reporters, they hinted that if crude stays below 115, there is a chance of reducing the fuel prices, the petrol prices, based on this crude oil price. So they hinted that only if it stays around this 115, they can think of a price reduction in petrol. The other thing is that some shares like Patni is showing some action. The Patni can be considered for an intraday trade. That share we are including that in the watch list for today's trade. So that's all for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.